Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti D. Gulwani with Research Methodology 1. As we have started with our chapter number 4, Observation Experiment as Primary Data Collection Technique. Now, we have to see the advantages of observation method. What are the advantages of this observation method? The main first advantage of observation is its directness. Means directly you are doing observation of either animals or birds or human being. Directly you are collecting the information. So this is the most advantageous benefit because फेस टू डायरेक्टली आप लोग ही उसको देखते हो तो इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्यूरेट मिलेगी, जल्दी से आपको जितना चाहिए आप उतना ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो. तो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एडवांटेज ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड. Number 2, data collected by observations are under natural setting. Means, see, as I said the example, if you want to do the observation of students, then what you have to do? Either you have to go into school or into colleges or into universities. So see, natural setting is there. School, colleges, universities are already existed, and by going there you are doing the observation. Natural setting is there. You don't have created any laboratory setting or any artificial setting. In the same way, suppose if you want to do the observation of birds and animals, then you can go into the forest. Again, natural setting is there. Natural setting, that means things which are already existed. You haven't created any artificial setting over there. In the same way, if you want to watch the reactions of these certain people, then you can see the reaction by visiting the hotels, by visiting the particular person's home. So it's a natural setting. So you can say that these all things are there under the natural setting. Observation is done under the natural setting also only. Then number 3, it is more suitable for studying the subjects who are unable to articulate meaningfully. किन के लिए बेनिफिशियल है? जिनको पता नहीं है कि हमें ऐसे बिहेव करना है. एज आई सेड, इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर द बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स, फॉर द मेंटली डिसेबल पीपल एंड फॉर द चिल्ड्रन who cannot behave artificially. They are behaving naturally only. So this method is beneficial for them. Next is, it is possible to capture the whole event as it occurs. See, जितना इवेंट पूरा होता है स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक आपने अगर चालू किया है तो you can observe the full event as it starts as well as it ends. So you can record the whole event in this observation. Then it has less biasing effect on their conduct then does questionnaire. क्वेश्चनर में पॉसिबल है बायसनेस. वाई? जो सर्वेयर है वो खुद ही डेटा फिलअप कर सकता है, जो रिसर्चर है वो खुद ही डेटा फिलअप कर सकता है, तो देर आर चांसेस ऑफ बायसनेस. But if we talk about the observation, then biasness cannot be there. Biasness cannot be there. Why? Because over there all the things are done as it happens. So biasness is not there. Next is mechanical devices may be used for recording the data in order to secure more accurate data and also of making continuous observation over longer period. Mechanical का जो data होता है machines के through, that is you can do recording through mobile, video, camera, photograph in order to secure more accurate data. आप यहाँ पे एक्यूरेसी होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास ये डेटा लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए रहता है एंड प्रूफ भी रहता है. तो थ्रू दिस मशीनिकल डिवाइसेस यू कैन डू द मोर एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट. So these are the advantages of the observation method. Then next is limitations of observation method. Now as benefits are there as well as with that certain limitations are also there. So let us see it. if of no use for studying past event or activities. See, if an event occurred already and if you haven't recorded it, then it is having no use. पास्ट का जो डेटा हो क्या है, उसको आप रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते हो. आपने अगर कैमरा उधर नहीं रखा है और वो इवेंट हो चुका है, then right now in the present condition it is not possible to record that data. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, हाउ वन एक्सीडेंट अकर्ड, एक एक्सीडेंट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, वहाँ पे कोई वीडियो नहीं था तो आपने उसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया था. बट राइट नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू रिकॉर्ड इट कि कैसे एक्सीडेंट हुआ, तो इन दिस करंट सिचुएशन यू कैन नॉट रिकॉर्ड इट. then it is not suitable for studying opinions. कोई बोलता है उसके लिए ये मेथड काम नहीं लगती है. It is only useful for the activities. किसी के opinions, किसी ने जो बोला उसका observation possible नहीं है, तो it is not useful for studying the opinions. Next is observation cannot be used as and when the researcher finds it convenient to use it. He has to wait for the event to occur. आपको मन पड़ा तभी वो आपको ऑब्जर्वेशन मिल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to wait for a particular event. For example, if you want to record the behavior of the birds at the time of monsoon, then compulsorily you have to wait for the monsoon season, that how birds are behaving in a monsoon season. In the same way, what exactly animals are doing in the monsoon season, so you can't record it anytime as you want. You have to wait for a particular season, then only you can do the recording. So you can say that for that particular event you have to wait to do the observation. So this is the most important limitation. Then the major limitation of this method is that the observer normally must be at the scene of the event when it take place. जो ऑब्जर्वर है वो सीन के टाइम पे होना चाहिए रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, तभी ये चीज़ पॉसिबल है. अगर वो नहीं होगा तो वो चीज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो सकती है. तो प्रेजेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वर इज ऑल्सो कंपल्सरी. And the last one is, it's a slow and expensive procedure. Why? See, as I said that you have to wait for a particular time period. Then if you are waiting for that time period, your money will be used for that particular period, as well as if you are going to record it with the camera or with the video or with the phone, then you have to do more expenses for that. In the same way, if you are going to do it in the forest or in certain different other countries, then it requires money. So this observation method is a slow, time consuming as well as expensive procedure. So here we are concluding with the advantages and limitations of observation method. In the next video we will go with the next question. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.